Hello po sir, good day. This is my midterm exam which is called fire alarm, and it is composed with a buzzer, photodiode, resistor, transistor, LED, and then a 9 volts battery. Tsaka po manok. Hindi, sir. Ang purpose po ng midterm project ko po nito is nakaka-detect po siya or nagbabuzzer po siya kapag may nadedetect po siya na heat or fire na medyo malapit po sa kanya. And then how it works naman po is start simulation. Kapag halimbawa po ganyan po, may apoy na po, tutunog-tunog na po siya. And then magbibigay na po siya ng pahiwatig na may apoy na po, may papalapit na ng apoy. And then kapag naman po medyo palapit na po siya, yung as you can see po, lumalakas po yung buzzer, and then nag-i-start na po mag-ilaw yung LED. Kapag medyo malapit na po yung apoy dun sa sensor, sa photodiode, lalakas na po yung buzzer, and then magtitingkad na po yung kulay ng LED. And yun po, that's how my manok works. That's how my midterm exam fire alarm works, and what is the purpose of it. And thank you sir.